Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jerry here. I'm bored, so today's Saturday, and I decided to just go for a scrap run real quick. I don't think I'm gonna find anything, maybe one or two items, but I was bored, so let's see what Destiny has for us. Alright, this looks like metal, but at the same time looks like something else. Nope, it's not metal. Something else. Yeah, that piece looked like heavy metal, but it was like thick wood. So let's keep going. Always stop and check. You know, you never know what you're gonna come to a good things, you know. Alright, that neighborhood didn't have nothing, so let's go to this neighborhood. Probably I will find something in this neighborhood. If I don't find anything today, that's fine, but for sure probably I will find something tomorrow. Still early, people, they're still doing yard work and all that stuff, or spend family time, who knows, but maybe tomorrow I will get lucky. But let's keep going. Alright guys, in Faircrest, the last house, I got all this stuff. I named the house, the street, that way I don't forget. His name was Kevin too. He was a young kid, and I got all that stuff, even a propane tank. They're expensive. Alrighty, let's continue scrapping. Alrighty, let's see what we got here. Any metal stuff? I don't know. I'm gonna get out. Oh yeah, there's metal. There's metal in there. Let me go get it. Alright, there goes a kitty. Alright guys. In that little pile that I just stopped by, I guess I got a lot of brass, a lot of doorknobs. I got a bunch of stuff, so the car is getting loaded. I like that. And I didn't think that I was gonna find stuff, but I keep finding stuff, so let's keep looking and see what we find. Alrighty, I think we found more stuff right here. The only thing is I don't have more room in my car, but right now I found a grill and I found other stuff. So let's go get this stuff. I found a grill and a file cabinet, so I have to go get it. Alrighty, this is the street. You see that file cabinet right there? There it is. I'm gonna get it later. And then there's the grill right there too. I had to go home, unload, and come back for them, so nobody gets them. But who knows, man? All the time I do that, somebody else gets them. That's another pile of trash right there, so we will see what it is later on. Let's go home. Alright guys, look at this monster. This fan is so huge. Let's get it in. Yeah, it seems that people are doing a lot of yard work, so beautiful day to be scrapping. I'm finding lots of stuff. I have to go home and unload and go back again. That big fan, I just made it fit. All the copper. Alrighty, there's nothing there, nothing over here. I'm close by my house, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off.
Okay guys, that's gonna
Alrighty,
do
all the stuff that I got.
Yep. I knew it, but wasn't sure. Guys, it's me vlogger, so okay. Just tell me if you didn't know. Yep, half a fan. Just two more pieces. Two more pieces.
This is real nice, guys.
Yep, two more pieces right there.
You got it, Braulio? You got the
Yeah.
bark?
Yep.
All right.
Two pieces
Look at
right there, and that is
Beautiful.
complete. And kind of good.
This one's, we just had to separate the aluminum from the ends.
Oh, there's part of the fans.
This is a sleeping bag. Put it over here. Braulio.
Oh.
All right, we got that sleeping bag. We got that bag.
Backpack.
Yeah, backpack.
Not back.
Follow
I think those kids are wanting to play with me.
For me, for me.
Oh yeah.
All right, we got this nice little box.
Yeah.
Put stuff in it.
And it might be ours. I don't know. Might be me and Max's one.
Look
maybe.
inside. All right, there's nothing inside.
Dusty though.
Yeah, and that's pretty deep.
Is that locked or not?
All righty.
Sorry guys.
We don't have nothing else in here. So let's go on this side. Get over there.
Guys, you might want to check out our
Look your finger.
Vega Brother channel, and it's pretty good. So if you want to watch that next, just type in Vega Brother.
Keep on out of grade. But these things are so heavy, so that's why I got it.
I was the one myself in the future as a machine. I'm just kidding.
All right.
Alright. Oh, give me. It's like carrying a real Christmas tree. Boom, 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 boom.
Let's continue. So let's see what
Boom,
else.
boom, 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 boom.
Look inside the van. Stay right here.
Ooh!
Braulio, right here. All right. More trees.
Oh,
More stuff.
huh?
So
What's the third
what
one?
we're gonna do is pause the video, and then I'm gonna put everything down, and then we're gonna record again.
You click that,
All right, this is the best thing that I found. It says, "May the Lord bless you and keep you," and the other one says, "If you have faith, nothing should be impossible for you." All right. So, propane, sleeping bag, backpack, and then over here, that's just steel. Like I was telling you about the doorknobs, there's a bunch of doorknobs there, and this one's they have it too. There's a little clock, more tree stuff, more steel. Let's look in there. Let's dump it. Alright, there's nothing in there. So it seems that we have a little motor here. Nice copper. Computer stuff. Alrighty. And there we just have a bunch of garbage and a little bit of steel. In this bag, Walmart bag, let's see what we find. I don't think we have anything in there, so I'm not gonna dump it. But yeah, Saturday and I found all this stuff. Like I said, the crosses for Jesus and God, that's the thing I love the most. That's priceless. Alright guys, I'm gonna go pick up the other stuff that I left behind. My car is ready to go again. Maybe I will take those seats out, we will see. So I'll talk to you later.